In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a deal to your business on the Wedding Experts. So as you can see, I'm in my dashboard. If you need to get to your dashboard, there's also a tutorial on how to log in to get to this point. So from here, when you're in your dashboard, you can go to your listing, which for this one, Mock Wedding Business, and you'll see there's stats, edit, preview, add deal. We're going to click on the word add deal. From this screen, it really walks you step by step through it. You put in a title for your deal. Let's just say we are going to do $250 off Platinum package. You can put in a description about the deal, a short description first. It's called a summary description. And then you can put in a long description. Here you can edit your text. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can change the color of the text. You have several options with editing and formatting your text. You can create conditions. This is ones that are just in here as a sample, but you can put in your own conditions for this deal. You can add keywords. When you type in the keyword, so I'm going to do package savings, you put a comma and it makes it a keyword. That gray is a keyword. So package deal, package savings, those are two keywords. You can keep coming down. You can pick a start date and an end date for your deal. Maybe you only want it to run for a week, a couple days, a month. That's completely up to you. You can come in here and you can say, okay, I'm going to run this for the month of January. Now, you can either do a fixed value discount or a percentage discount. So I'm going to do a fixed value, and I'm just going to use for demonstration purposes. I'm going to say that the item value is $1,000 with the $250 off. That makes it $700. And it says that this calculates it to be 25% discount. How many deals would you like to offer? You get to determine, I want to offer 5 of these deals, 2 of these deals, 10 of these deals. It's completely up to you. I'm going to put 5 in. You see it down here in the SEO section. It loads as SEO title, the page name, SEO keywords. You can add some different keywords than what was above, and you can add a different SEO description. Now, before we hit the save button down here at the bottom, let's go back up. And over here on the right-hand side, you can add an image to your deal. All you have to do is click Choose File, and you can upload an image that goes along with this deal. You can use just a picture. You can make an image in a graphic software. And if you need it, it shows you right here what the recommended dimensions are for an image in this area. The formats are JPEG, GIF, or PNG. Now remember, animated GIFs are not supported. So I recommend doing JPEG or PNG. Once you've done that, you scroll to the bottom and you hit the save button. It will then take you back to your dashboard and you will see here's your business listing, and then down here, here's your deal. Now you may want to look up another tutorial that is on traffic reports because you will see there's 2 different stats buttons, and that's because all of our reporting on the Wedding Expert is done individually. So if you do a banner ad, those reports are separate. If you do a listing, those reports are separate. A deal, those reports are separate. That way you can track the traffic that each of your items are getting. So I encourage you, if you want to know more details about the stats or traffic reports, that you watch that tutorial.